This is one of the staples of Iowa agriculture, so I think it's really important for everybody to stop here and visit. Kinze is part of the Progressive Agriculturalist, and they're pushing forward and improving day in and day out for our producers.
We are on our way to National FFA Convention. We try to take a number of business and industry tours. We try to get them thinking a little bit about job markets and whether that leads them into manufacturing or engineering, or if they're going to become in something in agriculture and they're buying Kinze equipment down the road, seeing how it's built, seeing how it's put together.
I'm actually going to school to be a machinist, so it's actually kind of fun to look at some of the old stuff that he started with and what my grandpa used to use, and then go out in the shop. You can see all the new stuff that they're doing, or they do it all in-house. I'd say it's a very well put together company, and I really like that it's all family owned, and they use their own equipment and everything.
This is, probably my 15th time bringing students through Kinze. I recommend it to any FFA chapter because there's truly something for everybody to learn from at Kinze, and the opportunities that are available within the agricultural industry, and just teaching kids to have that innovation and that anything really is possible.
It's a beautiful building. It has a lot of innovation in here. I think it's very neat that the students get to experience this.
I think it's super important for students to be able to see where their different products that they might see in a field come from.
Kids get to see all the new technology and equipment, so overall it's a really good tour.
You guys make really good grain carts. We run 2 of them. They just run smooth than any other grain cart.
It was also really awesome to see some of the things that we're doing in ag mechanics, like our CNC plasma table, our powder coating, and our welding. And to see those things used in industry, I think, is really important for students because it gives them a sense of the things that they're learning in the classroom can definitely be applied to real life and career type opportunities.
Probably one of the better factory tours I've ever been on. They were very knowledgeable, giving us the tour of the information and showing us around and just explaining everything about where it started to where it has come.
I think it's really neat that the kids have the opportunity to go in there and see how they're all being built and see the behind the scenes of everything for our farm kids.
So I really appreciate the free admission. So that's probably the biggest plus right now, because it's hard to bring those farm kids to get an experience without a cost.
We have some real farmer kids that are involved in production agriculture. And we don't have Kinze out in our area, but we thought, this is something to broaden the horizons and look and see what's out there in production agriculture.
Kinze is always a prevalent farm machinery equipment company that is in our community, and I think it's just really important for our students to see where things actually come from, and this can build a connection for them.